I was scrolling, doing some Shopify research when this store just completely stopped me. The design, the positioning, the product, it's all beautiful and it's in the smart garden niche. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to dive into the store and we're going to dive into this market so that you can see a market that is literally growing like crazy. The smart market, the smart garden market, which is kind of ironic, right? It's growing so fast. So the store that I'm talking about in particular, let's start there. It's called Click and Grow. And as you see, this is one of the most beautiful Shopify stores that I've seen in a while. And we can see by looking at their traffic distribution that they're just up and to the right. They're getting a ton of monthly visitors and growing month over month. I love to find stores like this because it tells me simply that they're doing something right. Now, the theme is sleek and simple, just like their products. So everything is extremely congruent and the positioning is really good. As you see, they sell these smart gardens. So the products are actually pretty cool. It's smart gardens for your home. A lot of people don't have gardens these days, right? They live in apartments. So this is perfect. It perfectly solves the problem of people wanting to grow things indoors. So let's look at their Smart Garden 3. I believe this is one of their best-selling products. And quite simply, it's just a hydroponic system, basically. It's just a hydroponic growing system. And that's how I used to know this as, right? Like I've actually seen products like this in the past, a long time ago, but they've just named it the Smart Garden. Now, I could be wrong. I'm going to dive deeper into the technology here, but it does seem to me like that's basically the premise is they're using hydroponic growing techniques in order to do this. But let's see. Bring a touch of nature indoors with the Smart Garden 3. Its compact size fits any space and allows you to grow up to 3 plant pots from our wide selection. Set it up in the kitchen to have fresh garnish at your fingertips. So, okay, silent and simple. Add plant pots, add water, and plug it in. Automated grow lights and passive watering take care of the rest. It takes only 5 minutes to set up and 5 minutes a month to maintain. So one thing that I want to note about this brand is, first of all, again, it is using a hydroponic system, I believe. Somebody correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Maybe if you are, a botanist or something. But here's the thing. They're not mentioning anything complicated here, right? I think that's a really, really good thing to note down. They're making it incredibly simple and about, just the experience. They don't mention anything about the science of it, at least not here, right? If we go further, we can see, okay, zero learning curve, no dirt, no drama, frequently asked questions. Do all click gardens work the same way? Yes. Use proprietary plant pots, energy efficient LEDs, making growing plants as easy as possible. The garden's primarily different shapes and sizes, blah, blah, blah. Very cool. So yeah, what people love about the gardens, grow plants year round. This is just so incredibly simply done. And I love that. I really gravitate towards things like this because generally what I find is some people over engineer a lot of things, right? Whether it's launching their Shopify store, whether it's picking a product to sell, or whether it's just simply explaining the product that they're selling. Instead of going all crazy with the technology, they're making it extremely simple to understand and just dialing in on the benefits that you get by using this. Very, very well done. Like I mentioned, the smart garden market is one of the fastest growing markets that I've seen, actually, believe it or not. So we can see that it grew roughly from 138 million to over 2 billion in 2024. That is crazy growth. And it's expected to reach 4.8 billion by 2030, which is only 4 years away. It's crazy to say that. But that's massive growth, like incredibly fast growth. But it makes total sense with just general trends. As I just mentioned, a lot of people are living indoors these days. And because of that, they just, they need some easy solutions to grow plants. So that's what makes this such a powerful niche. Now, how I actually found this brand, just to be fully transparent, was through browsing the discovery tab in shopilab.ai. So this is my platform. It's or soon to be the largest resource center for Shopify brand builders. Whether you're just a beginner or whether you have an advanced store, we have tools, courses, community, everything you need to help you grow. And that's really the premise of this whole thing. But yeah, I just literally found this right here. And then I clicked into it further and just started digging. Now, believe it or not, you can actually source products like this. So I went on our sourcing platform, Team Drop. These guys are our partners inside Shopilab. So you can actually access this for 100% free. If you wanted to start your own store, just go to Shopilab sourcing here, and then you click on Team Drop. That's literally it. And then what you're going to want to do is just basically look for smart garden products. So I can browse on 1688 here, which is basically directly sourcing from factories. And we can see a lot of interesting products, not only just like literal gardens, but even other additional products for people that do have gardens. But I'm mainly looking at these smart gardens, right? This is what I'm primarily interested in. And you can see these people, you can source this for $22. Pretty amazing stuff, right? Like that's really awesome. And you can start your business in this category. Just wanted to point that out there. I want to give you actionable steps to start your business here with these videos. Obviously, I want to learn as much as possible about the niche and the ads that they're running, but I also want to, make it pretty actionable for you guys, right? If you want to start a business, if you're passionate about this space, you can bootstrap this, even if, most people think that you can't. Now let's look at their ads, because this is one of the ways that they drive a lot of traffic, and they're not running a ton of ads. I mean, they have like 33 different active ads at once right now. So nothing crazy. As you see, it's a lot of static ads. And I like looking at the oldest static ads that a brand runs, because it just tells me that they're likely performing well. That's not always the case, but generally speaking, that's the case. So we can see, did you know you can upgrade your Smart Garden 9 into a stunning Smart Garden 27 with our upgrade kit? These guys, their terminology is so good. I just love how they're taking almost like a software approach to this smart garden niche. And it makes sense, because smart gardens feel like technology, even if it's simple technology. I mean, it's really awesome though. This is really well done. So small kitchen or big dreams, find your perfect smart garden. So let's see, this is a 12-second ad, and it's just slideshows. Ideal for growing, never run out of fresh herbs, save space and grows more vertically. Get yours now. Click and grow. So a really strong call to action at the end. They got some UGC as well. So let's see. The easiest way to grow your own food.
But you don't know where to start and you don't have the space. This is Click and Grow's Smart Garden, and they
Click
have
and Grow
made it
Smart
so easy for
Garden.
anyone to grow their own food at home. These ready-to-go dirt pods come with the seeds already inside. Just place the pod right inside the cup.
Oh, that's actually brilliant.
Water until the bobber floats. So easy, because it just draws the water up and waters the plant for you. Place the dome on to keep the moisture in just until the seed sprouts.
Yeah, so you see, they did make these pots, which are super innovative, actually. It's a very simple thing. They almost took like the Keurig coffee pots, but applied it to soil for plants so that people could just easily put that in there. That's really smart. Let's see this one right here, 22 seconds.
I harvested my peas, and now it's time to plant new pods. The process is super simple. First, you just choose your new pod pack. This time, I chose the Grow Anything pack.
Wow.
Put it in the cup, add some seeds, and put the lid on. Check your water level, and voila. Visit the Click.
Yeah, this is amazing. Honestly, I would totally invest in this company, because even just the pods themselves, that's a recurring revenue product. People are going to come back over and over again for a product like that. And this is just brilliant. This is really well done. And I believe they have an app as well, so make it smarter with the app. The Click and Grow app is like a little gardening fairy in your pocket. Get plant care tips, never miss the best time to harvest, and explore new varieties to grow. This is something I've been mentioning in some of my videos and some of my live streams that I've done. I really love the idea of mixing e-commerce or physical product e-commerce with digital product e-commerce in the form of apps. I really love the idea of more Shopify stores creating app experiences, not just for their websites, but just like actually creating valuable apps that make sense for your brand. So in this case, yeah, like a gardening app makes a ton of sense, right? It makes literally all the sense in the world. Let's look at the plant pots here, because I do find those interesting. And yeah, you guys might be thinking too, like, look, these guys are extremely advanced. I would not go out there and try to compete with Click and Grow. They're in a category of their own. That's one thing you got to understand about e-com. You don't always have to worry so much about competition, because you can create a category of your own. And at the end of the day, like I'll show you right here, I have a good example. I just took the screenshot a few minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago. I actually built a demo store entirely from scratch. I did it for the Shopee Lab community to show a real example in the course modules here that you get access to. And I did that, and I showed that you can actually build a store from scratch, even in a competitive market, as long as you have a good offer and a strong theme that converts really well. And of course, just a trending product with a lot of demand. So products like this, smart gardens with a lot of demand, sure, you may not be able to create, this exact pod system that they got going on, but that doesn't mean that, selling a, a smart garden system like this is a bad idea, right? It still is a good idea. And there's, a good pricing option here that I'm literally giving you right here. And you can do your own research too, right? You can dive deeper. You can talk to the suppliers here, the team drop team on WhatsApp to help you source even more unique products. We can even look at Taobao, see like, okay, maybe there's new products that haven't even come into the market, but generally, yeah, like it's a lot of these products, kind of the same style of product. But Click and Grow, I think, is just super inspiring in the way that they've done it, and in the way that they're thinking about the brand. I would love to connect with the founders of this. Like I said, I really think it's brilliant what they've done, and I think it's just the beginning. So yeah, they are running a lot of ads, very good statics. I would get inspiration from their statics, but apply it to your own brand, of course. And I mean, yeah, they're keeping it super simple and just continuously growing by having a really incredible product. So I would love to work with a brand like this, help them grow even further, maybe even invest in a brand like this, especially because of the recurring revenue nature of the product. You can see here they have more expensive products too. Like the Click and Grow 25 seems a little bit more advanced. It's a little bit bigger, but it's also $1,000, which is pretty crazy. It's like the price of an iPhone, but you also can grow your own food. So it's so cool. And I love just how they've branded the store so simply. This is totally my style. If you use our free store builder theme, this is one of the products that I want to put more effort into. Right now, it's just a simple template that you get to download. It does build you the store, and it's the same exact template that we're using right here, converting at 7% today. And it's free. There's no catch. It's literally 100% free. So just go use it. We're going to go pretty crazy with this product this year. So I'm really excited to have you guys follow along with us. We're building more stores just like this, very simple setups. We're helping people in our accelerator do it and also investing in some of them. And yeah, just we're helping people build free stores that are high converting so that they can have a better chance at building a successful business on Shopify quickly. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found this brand inspiring. I'd never seen it before. I've literally never heard of it until today. So I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into it with you. Before I go, I'm actually going to check their social media pages because I have a feeling that I'm going to find something interesting. So they are pretty big on Instagram. That's not a huge surprise to me. This definitely feels like an Instagram worthy brand. They're doing a lot of partnership stuff, like influencer stuff. You can see they should be running this as an ad. I mean, I don't see why not. They're already running ads. They might as well just introduce some of these posts as ads. Let me refresh here. So they're posting on TikTok, 11K followers here. They're getting a decent amount of views. I mean, 1,000 views is not bad at all. And then on Pinterest, this is what I was curious about. Okay, only 48,000 monthly viewers. So they should be pinning a lot more, because I do think something like this could do quite well on Pinterest. Even just hiring somebody to make like aesthetic pictures with AI, like to post on Pinterest. I mean, that could be a good idea. So all in all, a really good brand. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments. Make sure you join our free Discord, use our free store builder. We have all these free resources for you guys available so that you can get your business started and you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.